We are looking at how to pronounce these words as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing words and names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning about correct pronunciations. So this is a word from French, hence the confusion with the spelling. In English it is said as manoeuvres, ma-nu-vers. Stress on that second nu syllable, or in American English, manoeuvres. For reference, in French it is said as manœuvre. Manœuvre. I know it's impossible to say like in French, right? So, manoeuvres. Now, you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least. Thanks for your support, and more videos for you here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names like this one that many get wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.